Hi, this is Natasha. Welcome to my channel and welcome back, where makeup is a passion. Now, starting off, these are some things that I bought from Colourpop. Colourpop had a sale going, and so I picked up so much. I picked up a lot of palettes and stuff that I didn't have already, and it was a reasonable price. I mean, it was on sale, so it was very reasonable price. So one of the things I picked up was the Colourpop 5-pan makeup palette. Okay. Oh, picked up some lipstick. You see that color? Let's see. Isn't it pretty? A little shimmery. It's matte though. I think it is. Alright. I also picked up these quads. And they're so pretty. And another one. I think these were going by the month. Let me see here. I can't see that out to make it out. But yeah, pick up two of these. So then I turn around and got a lippy stick. Well, a lip liner in brown. Gotta have one that matches me. So I also picked up these here. These small pans. And this is the Safari one. And that's how it looks. And this is another one. And another one. And another one. And that's how it looks. And got the Colourpop Powerpuff Girls. Now, I did not grow up on watching Powerpuff Girls. But I know it probably was interesting. I didn't have a daughter to watch it with her. So I have no idea what it's like. I see commercials about it and that's about it. There we go. And this is how it looks. So let's watch one right here. Look at that. Look at that. There. Let me see if I can get some light on. Should I? Look at that there. Alright, so let's do the pink one. Look at that color payoff. I'm really attracted to satin-like colors, or even the duochrome ones. I like want to make up my eyeshadow to pop. And trust me, every time I go in for surgery, it never fails that one of the nurses will say, because I'm coming out of the sleep as they're lifting me into the stretcher, I hear each time say, "Man, I really like her colors. That is so pretty." So I like satin type of eyeshadow. Alright. But you guys not gonna guess, you see two things here. And you think that is what's left. Let me break this open for you. Alright, so this is the Colourpop one called Whatever. So let's go with this one. Okay, not that bad. It's not popping. Let's see, let's go for this one. This has got glimmer in it, so I'm not gonna glitter in it, so I probably won't really wear it. Let's see over here. That's what that looks like. So this is what all three looks like. So then I turn around. I want to try out their moisturizer, the tinted one. So this is not foundation, this is just moisturizer with